Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna give you a full review about this bank called NexusPay, because literally a lot of people don't know about this app. So I'm gonna give you a very quick introduction about this app and how things can be done on this app. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button. It just helps me out. So to get started, first thing to do is to know more about this app. So NexusPay is a mobile banking application developed by the Dutch-Bangla Bank PLC, which is the DBBO, a private commercial bank in Bangladesh. And this bank online banking was launched in 2019. And also, NexusPay enables users to perform various banking activities such as fund transfer, mobile top-ups, bills payment, and QR code based transaction. And here's how you can simply send money using the NexusPay app. So next thing to do is to launch the app, but make sure you download the app on your smartphone. You can download that on the Google Play Store, and if you're an iOS user, just go to your Apple Store, then search NexusPay app by DBBL, which is Deutsche Bank of Bangladesh. So once that is done, installed, then open the app, then enter your credentials to access your account. Then from there, you have to navigate to the send money option. So for this, from the main menu, select the send money features on the menu. Then from there, you will select how you want to send the money. For example, you can choose to send to a DBBL account, which is to transfer funds to another DBBL account, or to another account, use the BEFTN, or use the NPSB service for the interbank transfer. Then from there, also you have to send money to, you can also send money to a mobile wallet, which involves you send money to a mobile financial service like Bcash, Rocket, or Naged. And after that, you can also enter the recipient details, which is to input the necessary information based on the chosen method. For example, bank and the account number for the bank transfer. Then for the mobile number, it's the mobile wallet transfer. Then after that, just to specify the amount you want to send. Then review all the details to avoid loss of funds. Then you can simply confirm the transaction. The next thing is to authenticate the transaction, which involves you using the PIN or a biometric authentication to authorize the transfer. Then you send the money, and that's how you can simply send money on DBBL. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.